Right, so I hope everyone's doing alright. Just thought I'd show you some of the extra things I've done to the multi-purpose trap. So, I've added a ring, put it there for now. It probably could be done other ways. Drill a hole straight through there, through the wood might be good, or a ring on the end, but I couldn't do it because these screws are in the way. But you could easily change that by making the wood longer. The other thing I've done is I've put nails, but I've not cut them off sharp, but I've put nails in the top piece. Now the funny thing is, it slams shut so hard, it was actually pushing the nails out through the top, so I've had to put a piece of metal on the top to stop that. But you could cut these off and have them sharp if you wanted to. And just a trigger was made out in the woods. Now I've done a little bit more to the trap. I'll show you some setups what I reckon you could use this for. But I think there's still some more mods that you could make to it. But this probably would be a good thing to keep in a bag. One other thing I would say is I'm thinking about maybe putting, I don't really want to put feet here and here, because you could just hammer pegs to keep it upright.